Here we have question 8 to point A, B, and C are collinear. That means they exist on the same line. So I can even draw it. And we know that B is somewhere in between A, C. So here this can be A, this can be C. B exists somewhere here. All right, so we are told that AC is equal to 3x plus 3. And then we have AB minus 1 plus 2x. And then we have BC, which is 11. So to find the value of x, you could set up the equation. Did you know that AB plus BC, it's going to equal to AC? That means, what is it? Negative 1 plus 2x plus 11 is going to equal to 3x plus 3. Combine some like terms, 2x plus 10, negative 1 and plus 10. No, negative 1 and 11. 3x plus 3. Okay, minus 2x both sides. This is going to cancel. You have 10 is equal to x plus 3. Minus 3 to both sides. This cancels. X is equal to 7. Find the length of AB. Here, the length of AB is defined as just negative 1 plus 2x. Plug in your 7 for your x. Negative 1 plus 14. AB looks like that is equal to 13 in length.